mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekenekwa m ụnụ anyị sị ka anyị wechikwa ọzọ maka na anyị na-ekwu okwu a ka ndị mmadụ ya amara ndị na-achọkwa ha na-emana anyị ekwetala ha n'ọgba akwa efu na nke ikpeazụ a onye si na ha na-eme nwere isi egbu isi ya na owe enwe isi kedu ihe mere nji ekwuli ha esi na ịbụrụ onye Igbo afa gị na-azụ onye Igbo bịa nso esi na ịbụ onye Igbo mana ị chọrọ ịkụziri nwa gị Igbo bịa nso ị bụrụ onye Igbo ị mara asụ Igbo bịa nso ị bụrụ onye mba mmiri ndị Hausa na-akpọ gị onye Igbo mana gụwa na-asị n'isi n'Igbo Delta Igbo bịa nso ị bụrụ ndị na papa si ama mama si abịa Igbo bịa nso ị bụrụ onye Igbo mana o nwere ihe a na-eme n'ala Igbo ịma anya bịa nso kedu eme mmezisi onye ọbụla bịa nso ịbịa nso ekwuru na vidiyo onwe ihe nkwuba nsatị asị m unu ife ilu dat na ị chọrọ ịbụ onye Igbo n'ihi na ọjụgo biko nye anyị efe na-enwere ndị nọ standby na-azọ ka ha bụrụ ndị Igbo azọ today. Enwere some Yoruba people some of the Yoruba and Hausa say that they wish na ha bụ ndị Igbo. Yes, ha na-ekwu that na ha wish kezi ihe mere na ebe onye ọzọ na-ewish na ọ bụ onye Igbo ọ bụrụzi onye nọ na Delta Nri Aro Chukwu Iza River State Ijaw Ikwerre a na-asị na ha bụrụ ndị Igbo mana onye ahụ je ugwu Hausa akpọ ya Inyamiri. So what then is your problem? That's why you onye bụ na bịa nso bụrụ oche gị sit down today na da bụ okwu ahụ anyị ekwule n'isi na this video.
It is we the normal people that have been setting fire for the southeast to be collecting the bullet. It is not the southeastern Igbos that cause what they happen today. Ekumeku started as of 1883 that lasted for 31 years that made the British government not to conquer the Igbo land. Imagine Igbo, Riaji Igbo, Zafa Igbo, Ewoji Igbo, Yuve Kenga Igbo, Jidofo, Obodo Ineji Ofo, Nafo Afia Igbo, Jasin Igbo Onyebo. Any the Kafia Itarinike. One thing that would have happened in Nigeria if we are not born in this generation is to wake up in the morning and we hear that Anyoma State is created behind our back. I can tell you that Anyoma State creation is the best news that will come to the ear of everybody in Nigeria because this state agitation is more than 51 years old. Oh, more than 71 years old.
I think in 1951.
Yes, 1951. Yes. So before Nigeria independence, there have been an agitation for we today call the Anyoma people to secede from the then western region of Nigeria and join our eastern brother. Because based on historical fact and evidence, we have the same culture, similar language, not similar language, the same language, dialectical language.
Yes, a different dialect.
Yes, culture, tradition, and everything are the same. So, if Anyoma State come today, we have fulfilled long-standing agitation of 71 years old. We have been able to achieve what our forefathers started with. And I tell you that it's going to be the best news ever to be heard in Igbo worldwide. Everybody will be glad. And I know say our spirit father, the ancestor, they happy.
Okay, Deputy Jesus, I want to ask you this question very directly. It may form the basis of our discussion today. Ceding Anyoma State to the southeast, how do you feel about it?
100% confident and comfortable. I don't know whether I do the coinage well. Confident and comfortable.
Double C now.
You see, thank you that you asked me this question. It is just a nomenclature. It has not changed anything. Council no be no great Ebola and Anyoma Buffen at the other side of the river.
Okay.
It's just a name for political reason.
Okay.
I think if people understand this, it start making sense. There is no way they will take this land to the other side of the river. But there's a tag name politically for development, for projects, for infrastructural development. There's a 6 geopolitical zone that Nigeria has today.
Okay.
And that 6 political zone has different number of states. The southeast has only 5. So there's a need to balance the equation. Remember that we were first called Western region.
Western Igbos. Okay, Western regions. Okay.
And later this same land was turned to Midwestern region. So why do you think that if they change it to Eastern region, that something has changed again? Asaba still remain Asaba.
Yeah.
Obana still remain Obanam. Abo still remain Abo. The distance from here to Lagos never changed even before independence. But the speed of covering it has changed because of the speed of the car and movement these days. So it's not like they're going to change it. I'm comfortable with it because, like I said initially, it will bring us back to our kids and kings. What our forefathers have been fighting. In fact, we are saying it is 71 years when we wanted to join them politically. But joining Anyoma State has been there since 1883. When our forefathers refused that the colonial master will conquer us. Daye Kumeku.
Okay.
Daye Kumeku started as of 1883 that lasted for 31 years that made the British government not to conquer the Igbo land. So, if we are saying that we are not Igbo, why did our forefathers, 200 years plus, stood their ground, become the boundary that they could not break by the British government for 31 years? It took 4 days to break down the Benin Kingdom. They took them 31 years to conquer the whole Anyoma warriors.
The Niger resist turbulence. Well, I had 3 weeks.
No, it's not for 3 weeks.
Not reach a week, sir.
Not reach a week. There's when you conquer people before you take over the whole places. Yeah, you can be because if you read the history, it's not up to. But we're saying it took our people 31 years, the British to conquer us for 31 years, from 1883 to 1914. It was even after conquering us that they amalgamate the southern Nigeria and the northern Nigeria to become one nation. It is what our people that we stand it not to happen. And it is because of that single action that the British government swore that Igbos will not unite.
Yeah.
It is not the southeastern Igbos that caused what they happen today.
Definitely. From Kaduna Ozogo to they were all.
It is we the normal people that have been setting fire for the southeast to be collecting the bullet. We have to tell ourselves the truth. So how can you say that we are not Igbos? So I'm going to be comfortable. I'm going to be confident. I'm going to walk majestically. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother Chukwu Kogolo, Deputy Jesus, who is also a proud son of the Ezechima clan. We will leave that one later. Okay, still talking. Tomorrow marks the beginning of the greatest and most anticipated Igbo Unification, conference right here in the city of Asaba. What are we expecting from tomorrow?
Like you said, historical breaking event is what we're expecting tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow is our the third Igbo Unification conference, but the mega one, as you can see.
Okay.
Because tomorrow we have the governor supposed to do the opening of the program. Surprisingly, we are expecting him to be there tomorrow, but no matter what, government official is going to be there. Professor Pato Tommy is going to be in the building, all the way from America, coming to talk to us. We have Professor Opune from Abraka University. We have Professor Victor Swago. We have Professor Zuronye. We have Professor Forense. So Ewonye is coming. And we have Basigwe, a professor of over 80-something years as a keynote speaker. So when you see the caliber of men who are coming out to come and talk to us, how we are Igbos situated in 13 states of Nigeria, established fact, then you understand that the Igbo Unification movement is here to stay. So tomorrow marks the beginning, and it's going to be not only just about our history and the education of how the Igbo will coexist and move forward. We're going to be having some cultural display, because we are in 13 states, but we have different tongues and dialects, and also we have different kind of, different kind of so we're going to be experiencing a lot of things, because a lot of kings are coming in from the southeast, from the south side region, and from north central. The Igbos in Kogi State, I'm not talking of those who migrated. I'm not talking of those who went there to work.
Their land.
I mean indigenous Igbos in Kogi. Just like we have indigenous Egala in Anyoma today, which is a Igbo community.
Yes.
We have indigenous Igbos in Kogi. They are going to be present. We have indigenous Igbo in Benue. They are going to be present. We have indigenous Igbos in Cross River, the suburb people. They are coming. You know what I mean? So when you see them coming tomorrow, that is the mega way we are talking about. And yesterday, I found out that the Sun, the Vanguard, the Guardian newspapers has been publishing that news. It is there outside in the news, both the electronic and the print media. So in the page 20 of the Guardian, I saw it there yesterday and I was happy. So you can go and find it out. It's going to be outrageous. This is a statement. Yes, this is a statement to tell people that we have been able to establish this fact. Ndibo, the Asian people. Yes. Ndibo, so this Ndibo is what we now tweak or corrupt to Ndibo. I know that some people don't know this, but we don't want to go into the deep. We are Ndibo, and we have been able to establish that Ndibo are not just a nomenclature, like I said, which is Southeast.
No.
We are established in 13 states because of political positions. Nigeria has cut some of our brothers to different places.
Yeah.
But we want to harness all of us to become one. Igbo I've interview on Asaba na fake Igbo. And say fake human being. You will not be only say fake Igbo, you will be fake human being. So we need to establish this fact. That is what is happening tomorrow. And I want to tell you that it's open for everybody. You that is saying that you are not Igbo is a welcome development. Come and prove to us why you are not Igbo. Imagine Igbo, Riaji Igbo, Zaf and Igbo, Ewoji Igbo, Yuzo Ikenga Igbo, Jido Ofo, Obodo Ineji Ofo, Nafo Afia Igbo, Jasin Igbo Onyebo. Okay,
Almighty, tell us the details of this event. When and where is this event coming up?
Okay, thank you very much, Dadoshiwa Mama. The event is taking place at Jesdal Hotel in Okpanam community, and the event is kicking off on the 10 a.m. in the morning.
Tomorrow, 29th.
And the event will take place in 29th and 30th of August, which is Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah, that is when the event is kicking off.
Okay. No gate fee.
No gate fee. It's free for everybody. Just
go feed accommodation. If you make yourself available, you are coming from far. Accommodation will be available.
Okay.
Yeah.